In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Analytics measurement ID in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will take you through the essential steps, ensuring you can effortlessly locate the measurement ID needed to track and analyze your website data efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Analytics website. You'll want to start by visiting the Analytics Tools and Solutions page. This is a great starting point to access various resources and analytics tools offered by Google for your business. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign into your Google Analytics account. If you haven't signed in already, look out for the Sign into Analytics button on the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. With the increasing focus on data privacy and security, always ensure you're using secure networks when accessing such accounts. Once successfully signed in, navigate to the Google Analytics home. This is your dashboard where you can access your analytics data at a glance. It provides a snapshot of your current traffic, performance metrics, and more. This home view is particularly useful for getting a quick understanding of how your website is performing at any given moment. In the next step, click on the Settings option. This selection is crucial as it directs you to the backend configurations of your Google Analytics account. Here, you're able to make changes and adjustments to better suit your business needs and ensure data is being captured accurately for analysis. After accessing the settings, you'll want to proceed to data collection and modification. This section allows you to manage how data is coming into your analytics system, and if any modifications need to be made, such as filtering specific types of data or setting unique parameters for data collection. Now let's move on to data streams. This is where all the action happens. It's where you see all the different sources that send data into your Google Analytics account. Data streams offer a comprehensive view of how various data inputs are tracked and processed, so it's an important area to familiarize yourself with. Finally, locate and click on the measurement ID. The measurement ID is a unique identifier that's crucial for tracking the data associated with your website's performance. Having your measurement ID handy makes integrating various analytics tools much simpler and ensures accurate data reporting and analysis. Remember to safeguard your measurement ID as it's essential for your analytics setup. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully navigated through Google Analytics to find your measurement ID. With this information at your fingertips, analyzing website data and optimizing for better performance becomes much more feasible. As always, keep exploring and utilizing the power of analytics to make informed decisions for your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.